Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for stopping in. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour tonight. I have got Arteza's burnt sienna with pearlescent medium mixed in. So this bottle here has got 50% full of the acrylic paint and about 50% of this with a little bit of water. That's all I'm doing. All of my paints are mixed that way. And they're all Arteza colors. I've got lemon yellow, scarlet red, and dioxazine purple. Actually, the dioxazine purple is Liquitex. So that's the only color I'm using that's not Arteza. I've got gold and burnt sienna. I'm going to do colors through the center and then blow them out. Another practice of my Dutch pour, because they're getting better and better every time I do it. Alright, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. Keep the comments coming. I definitely enjoy reading every single one of them. Okay, let's get to it here. By the way, all the stuff that I use, my Arteza paints, which are behind me here, the Pearlescence Mixing Medium by Sargent's Art, I've got all of this from Amazon. So most of the tools you'll see me use, I've bought them from Amazon, and there is a link in the description. If you want to shop for any paint or get yourself a butane torch, click on one of my links. I'll get a tiny commission towards product to replenish my stock. It'll be in the form of a gift card from Amazon. Oh, and I just filled this. So we got a little flameage happening. That's a lesson to learn. Don't overfill the butane torches. Okay, so let's get this started. I'm going to first do the dioxazine purple down, and I'm just going to go through both colors, the gold and the burnt sienna. Then I'm going to do some red, which is the scarlet red, Arteza scarlet red. There we go. And the lemon yellow. This was a special request. Greg, my sweetheart, requested yellow to be added. I don't usually do yellow very much, so we'll see. If this doesn't turn out, we're going to blame it on Greg. But it's going to turn out. It'll be beautiful. Alright, and then those are my three colors. I feel like I have the urge to add one more. Should we add one more and not tell them? Yeah. I'm going to do berry wine. Top secret, you guys. Okay. So now I'm going to take some of my burnt sienna and just flood it a little bit here. Not much, because I do have a lot down on my base already. And then I'm going to take my gold, do the same on this side. And I'm not going to blow the colors over, like I'm not going to blow the gold over or the burnt sienna over. I'm going to blow it out right from here. And see if that changes anything with my Dutch pour. Alright, I'm going to make a little bit of noise with the blow dryer here. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to stop for a minute. Take a look and see how it's doing. Got a couple of spots I'm going to blow with my airbrush. Let me just give it a quick torch. Get all those bubbles out. Alright. Let me just grab my airbrush. Now my airbrush is the best $60 I ever spent. I always say that. I highly recommend it. I see a little flake of something right here in my paint. Pull that right out of there. I don't know what that was. I'm just going to blow out some color here. I always like to blow out the edges. See, lots of color sitting there, so I actually really like the yellow popping out here, so maybe Greg was right. Shh, we won't tell him that either. That'll just go to his head. Mind you, he will see this when he edits my video, so I'm gonna get busted either way. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick look at it on a tilt because I got the light shining on me. So I got the pearlescent in there and it's really popping. I know you guys probably can't see it as well from where you are, but from where I am, it's awesome. And I'm just finding a couple of hidden patches that got color sitting there that should be jumping out a little bit. There we go, let me give it another quick little torch. The one thing I think I'm missing in this one is a little bit of white. I know you guys will tease me if I add color to this because I always do that. Definitely seems brighter up here, of course, because there's the gold, and then gets darker down here. Okay, I'm going to go with a little bit of silver. I know what you're going to say, what is you doing? I just need a little more pop to it. I'm just going to go in a couple of different directions with the silver. It feels like it needs it. There we go. I think that helped. I think when it dries, the colors are going to pop that much more because I added the silver in there. But there we go. There's a close-up for you. Very pretty colors in there. And once it dries, all that pearlescent that's in there is really going to pop. I got a couple of bubbles I need to get out of there. There we go. So there is my Dutch pour of the evening. Thanks very much everyone for watching, and I'm sure Greg will put up one of my favorite videos in one of these corners for you to click on. Who knows, it could even be down in the corner. I never know what he's gonna do. So thanks again everyone for watching. Come back and watch another video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye for now.